it's Psyche here and welcome to the Simplicity Lifestyle channel. Today I'm going to be reacting to Michael Jackson's performance singing Human Nature at Wembley Stadium in 1988. This again has been asked for by many people. So without much further ado, let's get straight into watching Michael Jackson live at Wembley 1988 singing Human Nature. Here we go.
Hear her voice, shake my window, sweet seducing sighs, get me down the nighttime, for walls won't hold me tonight. Shh. If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why, can it be that way? They say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why, can it be that way? Reaching out, electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl? She knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why, can it be that way? They say why. Why, gotta live it that way? I like living this way. I like loving this way. Reaching out. Into the nighttime, it began to be. I'm dreaming on the street. Everybody sing. They say. Everybody. Can it be that way? If they say why? Ooh, then
Wow. I mean, the talent, how one person can be born with so much talent is incredible. And it's not that he was just born with the talent, but he worked hard at his craft. And I always, when I look at these artists and these celebrities and stuff, and you know, like we're on YouTube now, and I've actually seen Michael Jackson live quite a few times. One of the times I was a VIP guest because I had won a big competition on a radio station, a big radio station in the United Kingdom. It staggered me then, and it staggers me now, that all those people have gone to that stadium to watch one individual. I mean, one individual can sell millions of songs, albums, singles, cassettes, CDs, call it what you will, all around the world. I mean, that's serious. That's serious. And no one can deny that this man was a genius at his craft. Human Nature is one of my favourite songs of all time, and it's my actual favourite, along with another song called Morning Glow, and that was by the Jackson 5, as opposed to just being Michael. But this, in modern times, for Michael Jackson stuff, was and is my favourite song by him. It's just so beautiful because it's just so simple. And I think you're getting to know me now. I like things that are not complicated. I like simple. And I love things like that. And the song is beautifully crafted. I think a band called SWV, they sampled it in one of their songs. But his stage presence, you know, I could watch him all day back to back. I mean, I just never tire of watching his performances. And I think that's why we kind of like, or liked people, unlike people like, say, Usher, Bruno Mars, you know, Justin Bieber, all these people. I mean, you know, some people might say you can't put them in the same breath, but the point I'm trying to make is that Michael Jackson was so amazing that all these people have used his craft and weaved it into their own talent. Just to have people copying some of the things that you do is testament to how good you are. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed watching it. If you did, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, and share. And take good care. Mwah. Thanks a million. Bye.